everyone, I am Shriya Agrawal of Anandniketan, Maninagar. Today we will learn about Newton's third law of motion. Have you ever noticed that when people dive off of a diving board, they push down on the springboard? The springboard pushes them back and forces them up into the air. Why? Newton's third law is responsible for this phenomenon. Have you ever wondered how a rocket flies? Let us understand the same with the help of our own balloon rocket. Take an inflated balloon and tie the end with a rubber band. Then take a straw and pass a thread through it. Then attach the straw with the help of cello tape on the top of the balloon. Our balloon rocket is ready. Now let us see it in action.
Start.
Now let's launch our balloon rocket.
Pause.
Did you notice that the direction of the airflow and the direction of the motion of the balloon was opposite? Why? Newton's third law of motion explains that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now let's move on to the next activity.
Pause.
As you can see, I have made a straw spinner. When I blow through the thinner straw, the spinner rotates. Why is this happening? When I blow through the thinner straw, the air escapes from the diagonally cut holes in the fabric straw. When the air escapes, the straw gets pushed and rotates in the opposite direction. Thus, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Now let's perform another experiment. Here, I have taken a container half filled with water. I will place it on the weighing scale. As you can see, the estimated weight is of 2 kgs. Halfway into the water without touching the bottom. As I remove my fist, the measurement goes back to its original value. Why is this happening? Because the buoyant force acting on the water is pushing my hand upward. But my hand is not moving upward. It is applying the same amount of pressure as the buoyant force. Thus, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Here is another example of Newton's third law of motion. When we punch on a punching bag without punching gloves, it really hurts our hand. Why? Because the punching bag applies equal and opposite force back at our hand. Hope you have enjoyed today's video and make sure that you learn more about Newton's third law of motion.